Okay, now let's talk mops. So there are several different kinds of mops. I have three different kinds here. Generally, you have some sort of T handle. Again, I have Unger mop handles because they fit on all my other Unger stuff. In the mop themselves, there's a couple different kinds. This one's getting pretty worn out. I need to replace this one, but as you can see, it's got all the mop fibers here on one side, and on the other side it has kind of a scour scratch pad, kind of like you'd find on the scour side of a sponge, like a dish sponge. And it's getting really worn out. Like I said, I need to replace this one, but this is a really handy style because you can soap up the window really well with this side and scrub it pretty well, and then this scour side knocks off some of the more aggressive stuff. Another style is this, where it's the mop fibers are all over on both sides, but you just get a little scour pad on the end there. Again, it's the same kind of material as a dish sponge, like the coarse side of a dish sponge. And this one's pretty handy too. Generally, I like to use these on the inside because the insides generally don't have as dirty of stuff on the inside, although that's not always true. But yeah, but this one will hold more water generally, in my experience. And then you have this style here. Get this off. Oops. And this one is basically, I mean, it's the mop fibers on all sides, and it has no scour pad. And these are also different sizes. So these ones are for the 16-inch handle, these two, and this one is for a 14-inch handle. Most of the mops I've seen are 16 inches, although of course you can get shorter ones. I don't know if they make longer ones. They probably do, but the 16-inch seems to be the perfect size. It's big enough that you get good coverage across the window. It doesn't take too long to scrub it, but it's not so big that it's unwieldy and won't fit on most windows, or on the smaller windows. This will still fit on a lot of the smaller windows. And if you have a really small window, which we'll show, you can just use the end. You'll have this on here. Here, we'll just stick this on here real quick. And that's just how easy they go in. They have one side that's sewn up. You slip one end in. You slip the other end in. And then it Velcros. Now, if you have a small window, you can use just the end of that and scrub the small window. That's basically all there is to these. Now, the handles, again, just like the squeegees, they'll have different attachment styles. Like this is the quick release Unger style. You can also get some with the threads that you can use on a broom handle or some other style of pole. But again, most of this comes down to personal preference and what is available to you in your local area, and what you end up liking and not liking from your experiences with them. The last thing to mention about these mops is they will get dirty, and once they get dirty, you just take them off. You throw them in the washer and then the dryer, and you just launder them, and then they're ready to go again. Hey, thanks for watching. You know, this video is actually part of a free online course that I've made on how to professionally clean windows. If you want to sign up for the course, you can go to the link in the description where you'll find the rest of the course, some other supporting materials, and a community of other people that are learning how to clean windows as well. So, thanks again, and we'll see you in there.